Hey there, I hope you're doing good today. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the only way to unlock any iPhone from any carrier at the moment. Hey, and before we begin this video, my name is Sergio with Surge Tech. In this channel, we do tech reviews and tutorials and other videos as well. So if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and do so. Hit that bell to receive notifications on upcoming videos. And without further ado, let's get right to the video now. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to unlock any iPhone from any carrier, period. This is the only working method right now to unlock your iPhone. Obviously, if your phone is paid off, you may want to try and contact your carrier first and ask them to unlock your device for you because maybe you need to travel and they should unlock it for you. However, some carriers won't want to unlock it for you even if your phone is paid off. And that's why, there's methods like this that will help you in unlocking your phone in case your carrier doesn't want to help you do it. So this is the working method right now. It's currently working. You can do it with any iPhone. I'm going to be showing you how to do it with iPhone XR and above, so iPhone XS, XS Max, or XR. This right here is a XS Max. And if you have an iPhone 10 and below, there's also another unlock chip that we use to unlock it, and I'm going to be showing you both in this video. Let's go. So a couple other things that I want to mention is that make sure that your iPhone is updated to the latest iOS. Also, everything will work perfectly fine with your carrier, with whatever carrier you decide to use. All calls, text messages, data, everything's going to work just normally as it should. A couple other things. This is not going to bypass an iCloud lock on the iPhone. Also, if your iPhone is blacklisted, it's not going to work here in the US. However, it will work in other countries. And we're going to have links down below in the description of this video where you can get the unlock chip that you need to unlock your iPhone. Alright, so let's jump right into it. So like I said here, I have an iPhone XS Max. This one is a iPhone 6S. They're from different carriers, but they are locked to their carrier. The 6S is locked to AT&T and the XS Max is locked to Sprint. However, this method will unlock any iPhone from any carrier. So what we're going to be using is these black unlock chips, and like you can see here, they are different. This one is used for the iPhone XS, XS Max, and XR. It has the little flip thingy because the SIM card tray is different on the newer model iPhones, and this is the basic one for the iPhone 10 and below. So let me go ahead and show you. First, what happens when you insert a SIM card that is from another carrier. So let's go ahead and place the SIM card in each phone. And as you can see, the iPhone XS Max already went to the activation screen. Let's go ahead and place the SIM card in the 6S as well. And as you can see, they both went to the activation screen. Go ahead and make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi. Go ahead and follow the prompts here. They're going to try and read the SIM card and activate. But since they are locked to the carrier, it's going to give you this message right here, SIM not supported on your locked iPhone. So what we're going to need to do is simple. We're going to remove that same SIM card. Okay, we're going to place it in with the unlock chip. And I'm going to show you here how we're going to do it with the XS Max first. So we're going to be using this one that flips over. You're going to place your SIM card right over the dotted lines like you can see here. You can kind of see the form there of a SIM card. So we're going to place the metal pins of the SIM card right above it like that. And then flip this part right over it. Make sure it's positioned properly like that on the SIM card. It's super easy, just like that. Then we're going to get the SIM card tray and we're going to flip it over. And we're going to place it like this on the SIM card tray. So it's going to fit in there perfectly because it's a super thin unlock chip. So you're going to place it in there like that. And then we're going to place it in the iPhone. Place it in slowly and gently so that it goes in correctly. And as you can see, it's already reading it. Let's go ahead and do the 6S though while we wait on that. And as you can see, the unlock menu already appeared there. So we're going to place the SIM card now on the 6S as well. So it's very simple with the 6S. You just got to make sure this little flap is over here on the bottom side of the SIM card tray. And then you place your SIM card right above it. And then push it in gently as well so that it can read it properly. And there you go. The menu will appear on this phone as well. Looks like I waited too long on the XS Max and the menu disappeared. All right, you do have to be kind of quick. So let's go ahead and open this and push it back in. And then once you're in this screen right here, we're going to select Edit ICCID, which is the top option up here. And then here we're gonna input the correct ICCID, which you will always be provided with, which will be down below in the description as well. All right, so edit ICCID on both of them. It's gonna give us this menu right here, and the correct ICCID right now is 8901-4104-2702-2599-3202. So we're gonna hit send. It's gonna say setup okay. Restart your iPhone, just hit accept, and then go ahead and power your iPhone off immediately. Let's input it into the 6S as well. All right, so it's 8901-4104-2702-2599-3202. And then once that's done, hit send. It's gonna give us the same message, new carrier, replace the SIM, so hit accept, and then just power the device off once again. All right, now once the device is completely off, then you can just go ahead and power it back on. I waited a little bit on the XS Max since we were doing the 6S, but it's gonna work normally as well. All right, so just power them on. All right, and then just follow the prompts here once again. Make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi. And as you can see, the XS Max is already unlocked and ready to go. It's reading the SIM card, T-Mobile, even though it's a Sprint locked iPhone. Now let's just finish up with the 6S. And as you can see, the 6S was unlocked as well. As you can see, it says T-Mobile up here now. And the iPhone XS Max also reading the T-Mobile SIM card. So AT&T phone right here, Sprint phone right here. Both of them unlocked with the unlock chips. There's gonna be links down below in the description where you can get this unlock chip to unlock any iPhone from any carrier. All right, so go ahead and like this video if it helped you out. And that's it for now. I'll see you in the next one. And as always, peace.